Hello everybody, Cal Banyan here, and just in case you don't know, I'm a certified hypnotist and hypnotherapist and trainer, and I just wanted to make a quick video to invite you to join in our profession. You may already be in the profession and ready to step up to the next level. I'd like you to take a look at our upcoming Banyan Hypnosis Certification Super Course. It's NGH approved, National Guild of Hypnotists, and it includes the world-renowned 5-path and 7-path. So I want to just give a little bit extra information than what might be appearing down below. When you join the class, I want you to know that it's not a fluffy class. The class is a class designed to develop what we call 1%ers, the best of the best, the top 1% in the profession. So as you go through this course, a 10-day course, you're going to find it's a lot of work, but you hang in there and you really learn the material, and you will have what you need to have to be one of the very best, a competent and successful hypnotherapist or hypnotist. Now, one of the first things you're going to find in the class is that you're going to have the Level 1 manual. Now, the Level 1 manual is going to take you through the basics and what we call the advanced basics. They're basics to people who take our course, but often aren't covered in many of the different courses out there. And what these advanced basics are going to do is they're going to build confidence, because in the course, you're going to have plenty of time to learn instant and rapid inductions. You're going to learn how to covertly test your clients for the proper level of hypnosis for the work you're going to do, and you're going to be able to convince the individual that they are in hypnosis. And believe it or not, most hypnotists don't use those very important techniques. Then we go from the advanced basics into the intermediate work, and finally into the advanced work. And the Level 2 manual is going to go into 5-path. It's all about 5-path. Now, 5-path, the reason you want to be certified in 5-path is because 5-path is a systematic approach that will allow you to be successful with a broad range of different issues that your clients want help with. This will allow you to be either a generalist or someone that hones in on a specific issue set that you want to work with, like, for example, if you want to be a sports hypnotherapist. But when you first start in the business and in the practice of hypnotherapy, you want to be able to work with a broad variety of issues and to be successful with them. Now, 5-path has 5 phases. I'm just going to go through this real quick. The first phase is the preparation, testing, and convincing phase. Your ability to be successful with your clients, in large part, has to do with the kind of preparation you do with the client before the hypnosis session. Once a person is hypnotized, they need to be tested for the proper level of hypnosis. You don't want to start doing the hypnosis work unless you're sure that they're in the proper level of hypnosis. And then you're going to want to convince them that they're hypnotized. All of our clients do better when they realize that they're hypnotized. Phase 2 is the age regression and age progression phase. And really, this is what got me interested in going into hypnosis as a professional, was the ability to go into the past and undo the cause of the event and neutralize the events in their life that have reinforced the problem. It doesn't matter if it's a fear-based problem or an anxiety-based problem or a belief-based problem. When you learn how to master age regression, you really become the best of the best. Phase 3 has to do with forgiving others. Once we've done the age regression work, we're going to find that someone in their mind did that to them, caused them to have the problem. And so they're going to have this residual anger, and neutralizing the anger is going to give you the opportunity to do what I call like superpowered direct suggestion, because the age regression and the forgiveness work forces the subconscious mind into a state of hyper-suggestibility. You want to do this work. It helps the person feel more relaxed, more in control, and also more confident in what they do, and more receptive to the suggestions you're giving them. Then phase 4 is forgiveness of self. Once they've gone through the first 3 phases, they realize that, you know what? They had something to do with the problem, and they're going to feel either guilty or they're going to feel angry at themselves. And this work, also inside work, is going to allow you to neutralize that. They're going to feel so much better, and once again, it puts them in that hyper state of suggestibility, and the suggestions that you give them for what they came in for. It might be to overcome fears, or it might be to overcome a bad habit, or to become a better person in some way, better at a sport or better at business, whatever it is. You're going to find that they're going to be able to accept those suggestions in a lifelong way. And then here's something that most hypnotherapists have never heard of: secondary gain. Phase 5, now it doesn't exist with all clients, but in some clients, their situation is they've found a benefit in having the problem that they have. And phase 5, parts mediation therapy or parts mediation work, will allow you to go in and neutralize this conflict that they have inside about holding on to the problem. You see, some people, even after you remove the cause of the problem, will continue to have the problem because it's being reinforced or demanded in some way in their present situation. Phase 5, parts mediation therapy or parts mediation work, will take care of that and neutralize a problem. And once again, because it's an insight kind of work, you're going to find that you're going to be able to give them suggestions that will last a lifetime and they can experience permanent change. Okay, so that's 5-path. Another very, very important part of the process of our course, the Banyan Hypnosis and Hypnotherapy Certification course, is the understanding of emotions. A very big part of what's different about the Banyan method of hypnosis and hypnotherapy is the secret language of feelings. And when you begin to understand what really motivates people, you're going to be able to be successful with clients when other professionals and other hypnotists and hypnotherapists are not able to be successful. What you're going to find out as you study and learn about the secret language of feelings is that people don't always do what they think they should do, or even what they want to do. They do what they feel like doing over and over and over again. And the Secret Language of Feelings book and the material that we're going to cover is going to help you be successful when other professionals may have failed. Now, another thing that's really important that you're going to get, another exclusive thing, you only get it with our course, and that is the 7th path system of self-hypnosis. Now, the 7-path system of self-hypnosis is different from any other system of self-hypnosis that has ever been developed in the past, because it is, again, an insight process, and it also deals directly with emotions. It has been called the very first software for antivirus software for the human mind. And so what happens is when we're born, we're like that perfect computer that just comes out of the store, everything's working great, and then you go to the wrong website or you open the wrong email and programs get downloaded on it that cause it to slow down or not work as well. Well, that's what happens with us. We are born and we've got this perfect brain and the body's working well, and then because of experiences we have in life, we start to run programs that slow us down or cause us not to really be able to do what we want to do in life. 7-path self-hypnosis is designed to go in, neutralize those programs so that you can begin working at your optimum ability. And of course, you'll also learn how to give yourself suggestions for any kind of personal change you want to make in your life. Well, that's about it. I really want to reach out to you and let you know that our goal is to turn out 1%ers, the best of the best in the profession. And we really want you to think about, is that who you want to be? Do you want to be someone who has the skills, who has the confidence, has the training, and able to build experience with a broad array of issues right off the bat? If that's you, I hope to see you in class very soon. Again, this is Banyan signing off.